Hey there, science fans! Are you ready for an exciting journey into the world of physics and chemistry? Today we're diving into the fascinating world of Prince Rupert's drops. These unique glass creations have puzzled scientists for centuries. These little guys are like tiny glass teardrops with superpowers. They might look delicate, but they hold some incredible secrets. What makes them so special? Get this. They're incredibly strong and unbelievably fragile at the same time. It's like having the strength of a superhero and the vulnerability of a soap bubble. Imagine a piece of glass so tough it can withstand a hammer blow. Yes, you heard that right, a hammer blow. Now imagine that same glass shattering into a million pieces from just a gentle flick on its tail. It's like a paradox in the world of materials. That's the magic of a Prince Rupert's drop. But there's more to this story. But what creates these bizarre properties? How can something be so strong and yet so fragile? And how are these drops even made? Let's find out. The process involves molten glass being dropped into cold water, creating immense internal stresses. This is where the magic happens. Making a Prince Rupert's drop is like performing a magic trick. First, we need molten glass, heated to a scorching temperature. Imagine the hottest thing you've ever touched, then multiply it by 10. Next, we carefully drop this molten blob into a container of cold water. Splash! The sudden change in temperature causes the glass to cool extremely quickly. This rapid cooling creates the drop's unique shape, like a teardrop with a long, thin tail. But what's happening inside the glass is even more amazing. The rapid cooling process creates a fascinating paradox within the Prince Rupert's drop. The outer layer cools and solidifies almost instantaneously, while the inner core remains molten for a brief moment. As the inner core eventually cools, it contracts, pulling on the already solid outer layer. This creates a state of intense compression in the outer layer and high tension in the core. Think of it like a tightly wound spring, storing a tremendous amount of energy. This internal struggle is what gives the drop its incredible strength and surprising fragility. Section 4. The science behind the drop tension and compression. In this section we delve into the fascinating physics that make Prince Rupert's drop such a unique and intriguing object. Remember that compressed outer layer we talked about? This outer layer is not just any ordinary glass, it's under a tremendous amount of compressive stress. It's so strong that it can withstand incredible force, even a hammer blow. This is because the compressive stress makes the outer layer extremely tough and resilient. The energy from the impact is distributed evenly throughout the compressed layer, preventing the drop from shattering. This even distribution of energy is key to its remarkable strength. However, the drop's strength is also its weakness. The very process that makes the outer layer so strong leaves the inner core in a state of tension. The tail of the drop, being the thinnest and most delicate part, is where the tension is most concentrated. This tension is like a tightly wound spring, ready to release its energy. Even a slight disturbance here disrupts the balance of forces within the drop. This imbalance can trigger a catastrophic failure. When the tail breaks, the stored tension is released catastrophically, causing the entire drop to disintegrate instantly in a wave of fracturing. This release of energy is both dramatic and instantaneous. It's like a chain reaction, traveling at an incredible speed. The fracture wave moves so fast that it can be difficult to capture even with high-speed cameras, showcasing the incredible forces at play. Section 5. Fun facts and uses, more than meets the eye. Today we delve into the fascinating world of Prince Rupert's drops, a marvel of science and history. Prince Rupert's drops have been fascinating people for centuries. These seemingly simple glass drops hold secrets that have intrigued scientists and lay people alike. They were named after Prince Rupert of the Rhine, who brought them to England in the 17th century. His curiosity and interest in these drops sparked a wave of scientific inquiry. But these drops are more than just curiosities. Their unique properties make them a subject of ongoing research and fascination. The principles behind their strength are used in modern technologies like tempered glass, which is essential in various industries. This technology is found in your phone screens and car windows, providing durability and safety in everyday life. So the next time you see a Prince Rupert's drop, remember the amazing science hidden within its tiny form. These drops can withstand incredible forces, yet shatter instantly if their tail is damaged. It's a testament to the incredible forces at work in the world around us. From ancient curiosities to modern marvels, Prince Rupert's drops continue to inspire and educate.